Thank you so much to the lovely young lass who corrected me and said that it was time, not thyme. I was feeding Eben, but look, we got a big Eben here. Yeah, more baby. Look at this jawline. Screenshot. Screenshot making a screensaver. Anyways, so we have not announced it, but Ossie and I, this particular label or person is starting to go through our videos and claim on behalf of other artists, other Samoan songs that we've used. They probably don't even have copyrights to those songs because they're remakes of original Samoan songs. Hi guys, welcome back. We are going for a walk to the shops to get things to make dinner. I mean, it's just down the road and it's good exercise. Plus I also need to get my steps in because I've recently gone back onto keto after a break, long break. Also wiped all this baby oil on this jacket. So it's gonna be a good exercise for us. Bend over. Show us your twerk. That's not a twerk. No. Alright guys, so we're off now. Come on little children. Except for mom, she's not a child. Thank you so much to the lovely young lass who corrected me and said that it was time, not thyme. But seriously, who wouldn't think that it's thyme because it's TH? In the English language, we always know the to be the. I forgot to show you guys my dinner. I already had my dinner, I ate my dinner, I came home, quickly cooked myself like a 10-20 minute stir fry and it was so delicious. So I needed to eat before 6, which is really hard to juggle because I still want to get a workout done. Then I still have to eat before 6 and also cook my family dinner because I'm not going to force them to eat my healthy foods, my keto foods. For them, I'm cooking kalimoa, chicken curry. So I'm just cooking the chicken first, guys. So I was feeding Eben, but he's not hungry. That's the kari that I made. But look, we got a big Eben here. I'm little Eben. I'm Eben too. I'm Eben kari. Yeah, more baby. Look, look, makuha Eben. Is it hot? Is it hot, darling? Good morning guys and welcome to a vlog. Look, boy. So I'm getting ready to go out with my sisters. It's a sissy day today and I don't know why, but my foot really hurts. I've been going to the gym a lot lately, but I didn't do anything, like I didn't feel anything that happened to my foot that is making it pain because it's only one foot. So it's really affecting me because I was meant to wake up early today and go for a walk, but I didn't. And we just finished getting a pedicure.
You want a big egg?
And I have a little story to tell because the singer clipped my skin on my toe. So
Red one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it at half price. But Ossie is helping my parents, I think, with his
Hey!
Ossie's at my parents.
Close that door now! I mean, you have to sit
Yeah
down
guys,
and wait
so
for your egg.
No,
Stop it!
Morning guys, it is Sunday. We didn't vlog for the rest of the day yesterday, but I did make pancakes last night. I don't know if I said that, and it turned out pretty good. But I woke up super early to, ow, that hurt, to cook my fava roast And I've also got potato salad going. And I also made Mama hot chocolate. Oh, it's deflated. Yeah. It's been super hard cooking food for my family, especially since I've been fasting for the past 3 days. I'm doing it an extended fast. Gotta do what you gotta do. These are the pancakes I made last night, which Ossie's mum wants to give to my mum.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. We just finished church, guys. Now we're just here having lunch. You see what we're eating today. We're having potato salad, sweet potato with normal potato, and the pork here, guys. Ooh, yummy, yummy. See, guys? Ooh. And taro and luau. So yeah, we enjoy our lunch here. But my snacky girls here.
I'm still waiting for the roast to cook, kinda.
So it's your boy George. Oh, do I look snack, girl? So yeah, guys, I'm having a haircut yesterday. Looks amazing and good. Yep. And I got my beard yesterday. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. You know what it is? It's your boy Georgie.
Now guys, I just finished an extended fast. I fasted for 3 days. Don't come at me, it's not starving. If you don't know anything about it, then don't open your mouth, okay? It's keto extended fasting. And Ossie's making cocoa rice.
Yeah guys, what's up, what's up?
For the fam.
Hi everyone, hi friends, hi fam. Yeah.
I feel so gay. Anyways guys, I am eating later today. I'm going to the gym, I think.
Guys,
Ossie's so proud of me.
She's going good.
Look at this
boys.
jawline. Look at this jawline.
Look guys, she's going good, she's going good.
Screenshot. Screenshot making a screensaver. Anyways, so we have not announced it, but Ossie and I, Ossie, the camera's gonna die. Ossie and I are going to Samoa. When Mum and Mia go, we're gonna drop them off. We're gonna drop them. I'm so excited, so excited. But that's probably why you can see I've been like going hard out. Cause you know, when I get on that plane, I'ma buckle that belt, yo. Ain't no extension here. Basically just picked up the camera, don't mind my hair. We've been vlogging snippets here and there. But I just wanted to show you guys my cooking. Some more for the fambino and garlic bread. Because we are short of rice at the moment. Ouch. Okay, I need to put this down. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Look at my hair.
Look at my hair.
Look how small my face is, guys.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Hope you guys have a good week and good day. We love you guys. Look, my snacky girl here. He's good looking. Oh, he's good at gym. He's good at gym.
Alright, I'll let you go back to your video. I mean, your video. Oh my gosh, that is so much better. I have to do my video all over again. Hey guys, okay, so I just filmed this video, but then the light made me look kind of ugly, so I'm doing it again. Basically, we just wanted to address something real quick. Now, I know a lot of you guys seen on my gram story, Siaosi and Victoria, gram story, that I posted something about people copyright claiming us. And it's gotten to the point where this particular label or person is starting to go through our videos and claim on behalf of other artists, other Samoan artists' songs that we've used, and they probably don't even have copyrights to those songs because they're remakes of original Samoan songs. So I don't know what this person's problem is. If it's credit that you want for your own songs that we're using, then you should have asked us. I don't know what their intentions are in doing all of these, claiming all of these things, but I just wanted to also express that Aussie and I have worked really hard to get to where we are. We're at 43,000 subscribers, and it didn't just happen overnight. We've worked our asses off. Particularly me, yes, I've worked very hard and I've built a brand with my husband, Siaosi and Victoria. And to see someone come after it like that, I'm not just gonna give up easy. I'm gonna stand and fight. You're not gonna sit there and take everything that we've worked hard for. We'll probably do another video explaining details about it, or I'll probably get over this anger and just not release anything else because I don't want this toxicity to spread. I actually look really red. I'm not that red, guys. It's actually really, really cold. But for watching our vlogs, for being with us, and I really need you guys to start being more vocal. I know a lot of you guys watch our videos, but you don't really comment. We need you guys to comment, okay? Tell us what you like, tell us what you want to see, what you enjoyed, because the more you're vocal with us and you start talking to us, then we can start giving you what you want more. Lately, I've been seeing people only commenting when they want to complain about something. That's not how family work, you know. You guys need to tell us what you like, tell us so that we understand, okay, oh, well, they really like this. Let's really do this. Let's do this. Let's comment, okay? But make sure you also subscribe, and we love you guys. Thank you so much for coming along with us and being loyal. SV Squad.
What we do here is go back.
Loud.